Audience, this is Raza and you are in my channel RHT Science Innovation Tech. In our Excel function part 5 video, today we'll be discussing another function of Excel, that is address. Seems like quite simple, but if you combine with other of Excel, it will give us something different things. So how this function is working? Actually, the function is work. It will start with the function address, and in address the first option they are required the row, which row you want to find out, and then the second option is the column number, and the third number is absolute number. Absolute number I've already discussed in my previous video. In a cell reference we have absolute. The other is the styles, in which style you want to bring, either in R and C format or just in A1 format. The other option is the text, which we'll be discussing later on. Let's start with an example. Suppose we want to find this location with address function here, that in which position this text is written. So for that, let me start with equal symbol. So we want to find this location, the target, that in which cell it is written, these numbers. So for that we will be using address functions. Then they are asking for row number. What is the row number? For that we will use another function, row, and we will give this reference, bracket will be closed, then comma. Then the second option, they are asking for a common number. So for column number we will give them another condition, column, and this target. And again they are asking, let me close this, they are asking for absolute. For absolute reference, when the dollar symbol is fixed with both sides, so it is absolute. So we will keep it relative and we will open both the sides. And the third option is on which position you want, how you want the style of the cell when it is reported. So we want the styles 1. The third option, which is sheet, we will be discussing later on. It is depend when you want to bring data from other sheet, you just write the sheet name. So here we are using the same sheet, so as a default consider the same sheet. So we will be closing it's bring us M2. So M is the column and 2 is the row. So this how address function is working. Now when we are going to use this, where we will get this, how to use this function. Let's suppose we want to find here, this is our data in this year 2020, 2021 and 2022. We want to find a maximum number in these years. So let's find a maximum number. So we use a max function, as you know. Then the array, this is our array, close. So it's bring us 903. So in this I already highlighted so for a short of time, so that you guys could know this is 903. So this is the highest number in this in 2020 sales. So the next we use for the other max, then the arrays numbers, bracket close. So in the second year 2021, this is 900 amount is the highest one, and in the other one max function array, so these are our number 903, 900 and 800. Now we want to find the location where these numbers are laying in this table, where they are, so that we could know their location. For that we will be using address function, address, and then if you use this number, so it will be actually changes because we use a max function. So for that we will be using what? Match function. We have another function in Excel that is called match. What is the lookup value? This one. And what is the array? This was the array. And we want exact match. For that we'll use 0. And then on which, in address function, in which column it is laying, so we'll be using a column function, and the reference number as it is in what, in this column 2, so we'll be using 2. Then on we use the relative methods, and the style is we want a1 style. So see, this is the 903 is located in column B, row 14. So this is column B, row 14. Now we use the second one for this one, as we did not highlight, but we find it here with this function. So the same function we use address, then we'll be using match. This was the lookup value, and this is the array and the column, and we want exact match. Then we use the column number. In column number what? This is column number. This will be the column number, and what we want relative, and the style we want in A1. So enter. See, this is in C25. So where is C25? C25 is this one. This is the highest number. Let me highlight for you guys. Now in the third one we'll be using the same address, match, lookup value this, array is this one, and we want exact match, then a column number is this one, we will close it, and the relative number we have 4, and the style we want 1, so close. See, this is in D21. Where is D21? This is D21. So how we can use this address functions to find the locations of the cell address? So for that we're using it. We will be combining this function with the other function. So we'll see you guys in next video. I hope you guys could enjoy it.